Assalamualaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to use the function block in the TIA Portal software with BitLogic. Let's start. Here we make online and diagnostic, then accessible devices, then start search, then click show, then go to the we will make it new program, I think so. We will make it new program function fu we'll create a new project. Then go to add new device. And click CPU. And which CPU you have, you can select. I have this one, so I select this one and click OK. And that function blocks why used in TIA Portal in Siemens PLC. Because of this function block system is reduce the ladder logic. First of all, we download this our CPU to the PLC. Start search. Because of if another program inside the PLC, this have to be erase and next program have to be write. Now this is empty program writing inside the PLC, and we will make the new programs. No action, stop all, and then load. Now your PLC will be totally blank. Then click finish. Now your PLC is ready for to new program. Go to the programs and go to menu P. See, first we are in previous lecture we discussed about in the bit logic operations that set that all we used, that P trig and F trig, and now we start that functions with bit logic. Start from have to be go back from this area. We have to start from here. There is a have some another blocks in the PLC. Means I show you now. See, add new block, and we use this function block FC block. When you open this one, also you can give it here name, and in description he says also functions are code blocks are subroutines without dedicated memory. What he says, this function block is using without any retained or non-retained memory. This is only he can do everything, but he not stored any data or something. And we will create OK. And then now what I start here. First of all, I start from my, for example, think I0.0 is my first input, and I give the name to the emergency. Then I give SW1, SW2, SW3, SW4. In hardware, I have totally 4 switches for use. So now we give also that outputs also we give. First we finish this one, and in output I give the name first, light 1. For example, LHT light 1, light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4. That I 4 inputs and 4 outputs I designed in this FC block. And now we will create the logic here first. How we first I take my here input, and also I take one more open contact, and second I take close contact and one more contact, and next I take that the okay. Let this first I give the name emergency switch. When my emergency is on, that any function will be execute after the emergency, not first to and secondly I give my switch 1, that's the switch 1 that I give to switch 2, that I give the switch name switch 3, and I gives the name in switch 4, and that's I give the name of my light 2. Because of light 1 I will take for this emergency. When emergency will be on, that one indication have to be set on the panel or whatever. Here I take one branch, and I will take here one more contact, one more contact, one more contact. This I take close. Next I take coil, and this contact I make close contact, because of when my this I take use SW2, SW3, SW4, and this I take my light 3, and then I make one more branch from here, and I use this one open contact, and I take all open contacts now, and then I take one coil. This is SW2, SW3, that I gives the name SW4, and that's I give the name light 4, and here I will give the main complete branch, and only I gives the indication light for emergency, that light 1. So this is now our ladder is completed. When this emergency is on, our light will be on, and SW2 is on, and these two are closed, our light 2 is on, and that if we press the SW2, that SW3 is open and SW4 is closed, light 3 is run. And after all this, after light is run and after L4 is run. So this is our ladder is completed. Now we go to the main OP, and this how to call this in the main OP very easily, very easy function. You take this your block and pick from here and drop it here. Now your block is ready, and here you can give your names of the inputs. This first I make for emergency. I0.0. Okay, and then I will give of my switch name I0.1, and then I give to the SW2 I0.3, and SW switch 3 I will give the name I0.4, and now I give to my light numbers also. This is my LI light 1, sorry, Q0.0, this will be on, and this I gives the Q0.1, Q0.2, Q0.3, Q0.3. This one I gives the wrong name. This emergency I have to give the switch 1 yani name. We have to go back to the function block, and this name I have to be changed. SW1, this light 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. I0.0, I0.1, this I tag name wrong, I0.2, then next I0.3, and then name I have to give I0.4. Now our sequence is complete. Now this block is completed now. Yani, see, this is the ladder logic, how much is big program, and in this function block your program is used. Yani, this program I will download to my PLC, and let's see. This is now compiling and load configuration, and we will make it a simulation. Now this function block is our ready. See now what's the ladder logic, yani in logic we will make and program here. Oh, much small. Yani this first I 0.0, when we give signal, my Q 0.0 is on, and when I give Q 0 I 0.1, this will be my when Q 0.1 I give signal, my Q 0.1 is on. 1 is on, and when I gives the signal to Q 0.3, my Q 0.2 is on, and when I all stop the emergency I 0.1, when I stop this one, that all system will be stopped. And also if you some problem facing or something, maybe not understand how to run this block, you can go back to the this in function block, and here also you can make simulation on, and you can see it here anyhow your program is running. When you make it all that, close the system, when you make your emergency on first, your light will be on. Here also you can make changes and maintenance. Maybe this switch you not fix, okay, this switch not fix, okay, this switch not fix, okay, this is not okay, this light have to be changed. You can make changes. Let's I 0.2, when you on, make it on, your light 2 will be on. This function is how used, and when you make it very long procedure, and where is very safety, yani when SW1 signal is have, that it will be run, that this signal not have, this will be no run. Yani means for safety purpose, or anywhere when emergency is not on, that all system will be must on. Don't turn on the light 1 or light 2. This I giving the only names, yani with, for example, yani light 1 or light 2. This also can be a motor, also can be another thing. But this safety is how you can use. You here make ladder logic, yani which signal is coming. This is maybe can be a limit switch. This maybe can even sensor also, and many things, yani inside the programs, yani machines, yani. And this logic you can very easily create, yani, and after you can convert in the FC blocks. Inshallah will be next lecture. I will explain you more about this functions. This now introduction of this function block. Also you can make the name also, yani which name this function of this FC block names, what's the name here, block here name also you can give, and many of features, yani you can do, yani very easily. Here also emergency, you complete name, tags, whatever you like to making, yani you can make it very easily in this software. TIA Portal is a very friendly software, and he tells completely, yani and completely guides the step by step, yani. Can make it stop simulation, can to go to the main OB, and this is how this in main OB you can show only this small block. You not have any headache or something. Back in the background you can make the program, and you can see the program in the functions, any function blocks. Maybe in this video you not understand, you can send me message in comment section, and I will give you feedback. Any problem you are facing in programs, or somewhere you like to do in your company or whatever where you are working, maybe, and you are facing some problem, you can don't be hesitate to call me, send me the email and message. I will quick fast reply to you, no problem. Also solves the problems. We have troubleshoots how to daily step by step. I will guide you how to troubleshoot, how to make it the new, how to make it old program maintenance. any whatever. Inshallah, this month we will discuss about the Siemens. Next, inshallah, we will start with Delta or Fatec or Mitsubishi. Complete programs I will share with you. Allah Hafiz.